Meet the Emperor Tamarins. The charismatic primates known for their unique features and social behavior. These adorable little monkeys, found in the rainforests of South America, steal the show with their distinctive white mustaches that make them look like true emperors of the jungle. Their expressive faces are incredibly captivating. With their big round eyes and charming mustaches, they can convey a wide range of emotions. These social animals love hanging out with their family and friends. Emperor tamarins live in tight-knit groups, and their social bonds are incredibly strong. These tiny comedians never fail to put a smile on our faces.